Jessica here from Debru. Today's video, I want to talk about how super affiliates find their offers. Okay, so newsflash, by no means am I saying that I am a super affiliate, but I mimic what the super affiliates do. I take in all of the mentorship that I get on a daily basis from the super affiliate that I work with. So I'm going to give you the tips and tricks that have helped me get to where I'm at in the phase of my affiliate marketing journey. And hopefully this helps you guys out. So you probably heard this time and time again that you have to test. And I just can't stress that enough. So if you've heard that and you've taken it lightly, it's time for your wake-up call right now. If you're new to affiliate marketing and it's a step that you figure that you can skip over, I'm here to tell you that you were absolutely wrong. So therefore, the reason why testing is important is because there are always changes. There's a policy change. There's an offer that's probably hot then and not hot anymore. There's a traffic source that's probably dying down. But affiliate marketing is never going away, because there's always the need to connect a business to leads. So that aspect of the business is never going to die down. However, you are going to have to adapt. You are going to have to know how to familiarize with these changes as they occur so that you're not caught in the background trying to play catch up. So that's where testing comes into play. And I would say testing offers within one vertical, like bit by bit, fine. Testing offers from multiple affiliate networks, fine. Testing offers that are from different niches, fine, until you find the one that works for you. But that's the thing, letting up on testing and thinking that you can just go in and just look for the top offer because that's what the network is saying is their top offer. Think you can just look at the payout and go for the payout and be like, well, I need a high profit margin, so I'm just going to go for the high range payouts, or you're going for the high ticket items because you're trying to make a certain dollar amount because you saw one person do this one campaign and now you're trying to do it too. Well, I mean, you're gonna fuck yourself over. So just test the shit, right? Follow the 3-day rule, and then once you hit a certain level where you can just blow money on ad spend, that shit's gonna be irrelevant because you're gonna have so much traffic and so much data anyway that you're going to be wanting to figure out what the fuck is going on and where your money is going. And you're going to be obsessed with testing. So as you progress through your journey, testing should be your main focus. But on top of testing, you should be reverse engineering, right? So spy tools are a way to reverse engineer. I don't particularly have any good ones for Facebook because you have issues where account bans happen all the time. Ads get paused because someone probably had something going on the back end of their campaign that we don't have any control over knowing. So, you know, it's a hit or miss, but, you know, there's little plugins like SimilarWeb that you can look into how much traffic is going to a particular website. You got Spy Push that will let you look at shit for free so you can see what's going on. So, I mean, you can look at what's going on and mimic what's going on. That's usually what super affiliates do. They just kind of try to get an idea of where the money is already going. That's probably one of the best lessons that I've learned in a while is follow the fucking money. If you follow the money, you won't fail. And that's going to be in health, wealth, and relationships. If you promote something in one of those categories, I guarantee you'll be successful. But if you suck at relationships, if you're broke as hell, and if you are sick as a dog, well, you should probably promote offers that you're familiar with, right? So if you happen to be a pretty dope video gamer, you probably should start with offering something or promoting something with video games. If you are a woman who does makeup, maybe you should promote something about makeup. Do you get where I'm going with this? If you want to be successful like a super affiliate, then you're going to start with one thing, rock it out, bang it out, dominate it, and then diversify your portfolio. So if you are doing lead generation and you happen to be a pretty good educator, so you wanted to focus on gathering education leads and you end up doing pretty good, then what you do is you take that entire process, create a system for it, and then you duplicate that into automated lead generation, or you duplicate that into finance lead generation. So that's how you can go into affiliate marketing full time after you've mastered testing, after you've reverse engineered and after you figured out the vertical that you can dominate, then it's time for you to leverage the resources you already have in your disposal. So you probably can't take advantage of asking your traffic source affiliate managers what the best performing offers are because Facebook is literally damn near like the Illuminati. They're there, they're making a killing in the world, but they're nowhere to be found. Or it's pretty much damn near a myth, good myth that we can follow, right? So I would say when it comes to Facebook, you can't just hit them up and be like, hey, what's your top converting vertical or nothing like that. But you can do that with your affiliate network. They go over all of the leads with the advertisers. I'd say in the beginning, you kind of don't want to be naive and take everything they say at face value. But there are some affiliate networks that are in it to win it. And when they make money, it's because you're making money. So they're going to show you how to make more of that money. And I can't stress that enough. So we do that still. We're like, hey guys, what's good? We get our list and we just go through that list one by one, test those offers and bang it out. When it comes to the traffic sources, if you run push notifications, this is probably something you can do more so than if you're running Facebook ads. But just ask them, what is the best vertical right now? What geo should I be looking into? What sources do I need to be looking into? What zones, what publishers are the best ones? And they will most likely tell you if you are spending upwards to, I'd say, hundreds of thousands in traffic, so that they can see that you're literally trying to make their traffic convert. So leveraging the resources you already have, I know some people are not doing because you are so gun-ho on trying to figure out how to make money overnight, where you're literally bypassing the entire process. You're pretty much disrespecting the entire structure by just saying, okay, well, this person did it, I'm going to be able to do it too, but I'm going to get all of the results without any of the work. And that's not how it works. That's not how it goes at all. Super affiliates, they work their asses off, and eventually they build a team to do the work all for them. So that's how it goes. So if you think you always have a first-class ticket on the struggle bus when it comes to finding offers, getting those offers to convert and setting up your campaigns, asking the right questions to the affiliate networks, then you need to join us in the mastermind. So we're going to knock out all of that stuff with you guys and do strategies that we've been doing. I looked at our account yesterday. The guys are absolutely killing it when it comes to running some campaigns. They had a pretty profitable day yesterday. So if you want to learn how to have days like that, where you can go in, test, and shit goes in your favor, then you need to join us in the mastermind, which is happening in December. So don't waste time thinking about it. Spots will fill up fast. I don't want to give a pitch to you guys. I'm just saying.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.